overhaul on lock extensions that we also started. So an overhaul is actually a technique that I invented, I want to say. It was probably being done forever. But I just realized it was really necessary in the desert because a lot of people get excessive amounts of frizz no matter what their hair texture is. But I did notice that when I'm cleaning up locks, I wanted to take it a step further. Not just to maintain them at the root or make them nice and neat at the root, but I also wanted them to be nice and neat the whole way down. So if I touched your lock, I want people to be able to tell I touched your lock.